Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we did a fun tutorial based on this look here called skin glossing. So basically what skin glossing is just more or less adding a gloss to your face, kind of giving you that almost sweaty look. So today I achieved this look using a few products, so mostly from Charlotte Tilbury, as well as I used some from Milk Makeup. So Milk Makeup actually has a really cool product called Eye Vinyl, and basically what it is it's just gloss for your eyelids. So I'm wearing it right now. So super easy tutorial. If you'd like to see how I achieved this look, then definitely keep on watching. So I've gone ahead and done my base already. For my base, I just used the Hourglass Vanish stick. This is in shade Porcelain. I use this all over the face. Then I went in with Charlotte Tilbury. This is her Hollywood Flawless Filter in shade 2. And I just took my beauty blender, kind of bounced it all around. And then for contour, I went in with my Soliel Tan de Chanel, just to carve out the cheeks, add a little bit of dimension. Under the eyes, I went in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is in shade Vanilla. So I'm actually going to go ahead and get started first with the highlighting of the face. So for the face, I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand. And I am just going to kind of place it in quite a few places. It's kind of all over. And just taking my beauty blender, going ahead and blending that out. For the eyes, I'm going to be going in with, this is Milk Makeup. This is their matte quad. So I'm just going to be going in with this peachy shade here on the bottom left. And I'm just going to be placing that all over my eyelid. Once that is laid down, I'm going to be going in with my Tarte. This is the Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. This is in shade Exposed. And I'm actually going to be taking a blending brush here. We're going to be placing this on the eyes. And I'm just going to blend out those areas there. So once those colors are laid down, I'm actually going to be going in with, this is the Milk Makeup Eye Vinyl. So it's actually like a gloss for the eyelids. Just comes in a container like so, a twist up tube. Just going to twist some up here. And once I get a little bit, I'm actually just going to be taking my finger. I'm actually just going to dab that on the eye here. So this is how the eye vinyl transfers on the eye. So it's not super sticky. Next, I'm going to be taking that same shade of blush that we used on the eyes, and I'm just going to add some color to the cheeks here. So we'll go ahead, pop on a little bit of mascara. Add a little bit of lip gloss. For lip gloss, I'm going to be going in with, this is the Dior Addict Ultra Gloss in shade Nude. So this is the final look here. A beautiful, kind of easy, going out, romantic date night look. Very simple, easy to achieve. And this highlight, I just love. You can really build it up, kind of give you that more blinding wow factor, or you can just softly use it as an everyday. That's it for the tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. We'll see you all again next time.